A very good morning, class. So today we are going to start with new chapter number 1, power sharing of civics. Okay. So as we come to know with the topic power sharing, what is the meaning of power sharing? Okay, so simply if we say that we are sharing our power with someone else, na, so our power gets reduced. Okay, means you think that if we share power, our power it will get reduced. For example, means we are saying that we are having power, okay, and we are sharing our power with others, and after sharing we feel weak, na. Okay, so if it is reduced we feel weak. But in this chapter we will learn that how power sharing is it makes everybody strong, it doesn't makes everybody weak, and it is important to share the power. Okay, so it balances the countries, it balances everything if we share the power. So here we are going to start with the ethnic composition of Belgium and Sri Lanka. Ethnic, here you can say, means like different types of peoples are there, different diversities are there. In India also you can see that different types of people are living, they are having different religion, they are speaking different languages. Okay, so ethnic is people those who have same community. Okay, means those who are having same community, means having same culture and language, they are joined with sentiments. Okay, for example, you can say that if we find any means a Hindu is there, okay, so he meets if any Hindu, okay, so they are joined with the sentiments. Okay, so they are joined with sentiments. How? Like to whichever religion you belong, and you will feel more comfortable with them. Okay, you feel more comfortable. Caste is also the factor through which we feel ourselves in much comfortable zone, means we can share everything with them. Okay, we are more comfortable with them. So now here we are going to study about Belgium and Sri Lanka. Belgium is a country in Europe. Okay, so it is in Europe, just above on map if you will see, just above France it is Europe. Okay, so just above France in the map there is Europe, and in Europe there is Belgium. So Germany, Netherlands, Luxembourg and France share border with Belgium. So these are the countries that shares land border with the Belgium. Belgium is a small country just covering the area as Haryana. So how much area is there of Belgium? Just as on the India's map we are having area of Haryana, or that much area Belgium is covering. So here you can say the population is half of Haryana only. Okay, so the population here is near about 1 crore. Okay, so in that 1 crore, now there you will see, means the different diversities are there. Okay, different type of people are there. Firstly, on the basis of language. Okay, for there are Dutch speaking people, 59% of people speak Dutch. Okay, Dutch language, 59% of people speak Dutch in Belgium. This is country wise. Okay, this is country wise. Belgium is a country now, so these are the equations to the country wise. Then French speaking people are 40%. Okay, so the remaining 1% people are German speaking. As I have told you that Germany, Netherlands, Luxembourg, these are the border countries na. Okay, so these are the neighboring countries, so there some people are there from German also. Okay, Germany also, so they are speaking German, so 1% people are speaking German. Okay, so this was the equation, or this was the numberings, or you can say percentage of people in the countryside. Okay, so these people are there in Belgium. Now you can say Brussels is the capital city of Belgium. Okay, Brussels is the capital city of Belgium. Now as we will see through the capital city na, in the capital city if we see, here the Dutch speaking people are 59%, here it is opposite. Okay, here it is 20% only. So here we are having more, and here it is opposite. So here French were 40%, here it is doubled, it is 80%. Okay, so in capital city French people were 80% and Dutch are 20%. So here what happens, Dutch speaking people constituted majority in the country. Here Dutch speaking people were in majority, but here French are in majority. Okay, so what happens here, they think that if here what happens na, their problems can also come. The majority people na, these are the majority ones, so these majority people they can suppress this minorities. Okay, so they can suppress this minority people. But if in the countryside, this is on the countryside na, so okay, so this is the equation of countryside. So if the countryside they will suppress the minority, so in the capital side what happens, the minorities which are here in minority na, they are here in majority, so the majority one will suppress the minorities. Clear? So that's why what is there, there is equality. Okay, so this is the ethnic composition of Belgium. Now we will see in Sri Lanka. Okay, Sri Lanka, it is you can say the languages that are spoken there are Sinhala and Tamil. These two languages are spoken. Sinhala, you can say it is the native language of Sri Lanka. Sinhala, it is the native language. This is the native. Okay, this is the native language of Sri Lanka. The people of Sri Lanka, they speak Sinhala. Okay, so here you can say southern neighbor of India is Sri Lanka. In the south of India, southern neighbor of India is Sri Lanka. It lies in the Indian Ocean. Sri Lanka, it lies in the Indian Ocean, as in and is an island country. It is an island country. India has evolved friendly relations. Now India is having friendly relations with Sri Lanka. So now here we will say the Sinhala speakers are 74%. Okay, the people those who speak Sinhala language, they are 74%, and Tamil speakers are 18%. Okay, so among from these 18% also you will see 13% are Sri Lankan Tamils. Okay, 13% people are Sri Lankan Tamils, means their forefathers are from Sri Lanka only, so they are Sri Lankan Tamils, and 5% are from Indian Tamils. Okay, now what is the position here? Why 5% are Indian Tamils? See, when Britishers were there, na, when Britishers were ruling, what happened, they need rubber and the plantation, rubber plantation, or you can say some other plantations were also there in Sri Lanka. Okay, so when they carry out this plantation, they took some people from India, okay, with them for as a laborer. Okay, so they take them with them. So for this activity, these people are taken there, and these people are now settled in Sri Lanka. Okay, these 5% Indians, they are now settled in Sri Lanka, so that's why they are known as Indian Tamils. Okay, they are the nearest country to Sri Lanka is Tamil Nadu, na? So they are taking from Tamil Nadu. Okay, so they speak Tamil, so they are Indian Tamils, so that's why the 5% people are Indian Tamils there. So in the northeastern part of Sri Lanka, there lived Sri Lankan Tamils. Okay, in the north side there lived Sri Lankan Tamils and Indian Tamils both. Okay, so in the central part there lived Sinhala covers. So on the map, if you will say, the central part of Sri Lanka is covered with Sinhala speakers, and okay, Sinhala speakers, they have constituted majority there. So who is in majority? The Sinhala speakers. The Sri Lankans are in majority with 74%. So some Tamil speakers were in western strips, some are in western side also. Okay, they are Tamils, they are living in western side and southern part also. In southern we have seen Sri Lankan Tamils and Indian Tamils are there. So there was a mixed composition, so we can see different types of diversities there. Okay, so now here we will see about religion. Religion is 7% population of the Christians, they speak Tamil and Sinhala. So here what we will see, 7% of population of Christians, okay, those who were living in Sri Lanka, they were speaking Tamil and Sinhala languages. Okay, Christians were also living there. Most of the Sinhala speaking people are Buddhist. So they, what religion they were having? Buddhism. Okay, so they were following Buddhism religion, they were Buddhist. Tamil speaking people are both Hindus and Muslims. So those who were speaking Tamils, they were both Hindus and Muslims. If the majority suppress the minorities, then will be tension, then there will be tension and will develop so many of the countries, they will be divided. Okay, so if the majorities, okay, the people those who are in majority, na, if they will suppress minorities, so there will be you can say tension, okay, in the countries. So because of that, the countries can be divided in different parts and many things can happen. So to maintain balance, to keep a balance in the countries, in different religions or in the diversities, so it is important to share the power. Okay, so I hope beta this ethnic composition is clear to you. So tomorrow in the next video we will start with the chapter. So this was just an introduction. Till then, thank you, bye bye.